The dynamics in the muni market of solid demand and a dearth of new supply appear to remain firmly in place. And with the recent rise in the prices of U.S. Treasuries, it seems the 10-year muni to Treasury ratio has also climbed higher. Analysts at Janney Montgomery noted that the relationship between muni bonds and government notes has been moving higher after reaching a multi-decade low set early last week. Against this backdrop, some proposed sales have crossed the wires, including $500 million worth of revenue bonds from Chandler, Arizona's Industrial Development Authority to help bolster Intel Corp's local chip-making plants. The transaction emerges at a volatile time for the semiconductor sector amid heightened uncertainties over U.S.-China trade negotiations. It appears conducting business in China has become more sensitive for many of the largest U.S. tech companies, given the harsh spotlight thrown onto Shenzhen-based telecoms equipment maker Huawei. Firms such as Apple and Alphabet's Google, among others, are likely to face diminished growth prospects amid what may be a protracted period of confrontation and volatility in the region. For its part, Intel had said it planned to pour more than $7 billion into completing its semiconductor factory in the city of Chandler, with aims to use a 7-nanometer manufacturing process, as well as create over 10,000 jobs in the state. In other deals, the County of Los Angeles is eyeing a sale of $700 million worth of tax and revenue anticipation notes, or TRANS, amid a massive increase in the city's budget and turnaround in its economic health. LA Mayor Eric Garcetti's proposed budget for the coming year anticipates an increase in revenue growth of more than 6% over the previous year, which is mainly expected to flow in from property, business, and sales taxes. According to the county's Budget and Finance Committee, almost 16% of the $10.65 billion is slated to comprise TRANS issuance, which will be earmarked to help cover the cost of the city's employee pension obligations. The city has been working with the coalition of LA city unions to finalize a labor contract for fiscal years 2019 through 2021. And although pension liabilities are likely to rise, certain of LA's economic trends appear to see ongoing improvements. Los Angeles Economic Development Corp said LA's growth is roughly keeping pace with the state economy and exceeding national growth. The expansion will mainly be fueled by an additional 60,000 jobs annually in sectors such as healthcare and professional and business services. However, on the downside, the organization noted that the likelihood of buying and owning a home and accruing associated equity has become increasingly unlikely. The economic research group cited figures from the California Association of Realtors, which estimated that in the fourth quarter last year, less than 25% of households in the county could afford a home. Find out more in my full articles on IBKR Traders Insight and receive a wealth of muni bond trading tools using the IBKR Trader Workstation. I'm Steven Levine for Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy the week ahead.